How to change notification sound on Zangi application. Do you guys want to change your notification sound on Zangi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in on Zangi application, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you get logged in into the account, now scroll down. You'll be provided with multiple options. Just simply tap on notification. Now scroll down, you can see the option for sound. Tap on it. You can see various sound effects over here. Choose it according to preference. After you choose it, go back. Now again repeat the same process for group sound. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna change sound of Zangi application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Zangi app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.